When you first receive your in-ceiling speakers, the grill is already installed onto the speaker. You'll need to remove the grill in order to install the speaker into the ceiling. And the easiest way to do this is to use the dog ears. These are the drywall clamps that actually mount the speaker to the drywall whenever you install it. There's a screw that runs down this post and connects to the dog ear, and it's behind the grill at this point. So if you swing the dog ear to the closed position so it will slide up and down the track, you can put your thumb on the front of the speaker frame, not over the grill, and press up on the dog ear. It takes a little bit of force on some of these when you first pull them out in order to get the speaker out, but you can work your way, get the grill out, you can work your way around the speaker, doing this all the way around until you get the grill completely out. These are the screws that are attached to the dog ear. You can see here, these are what you tighten down whenever you put it in the ceiling in order to install it.